This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult your physician or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your health, diet, or treatment plan.
Today, we are diving deep into the world of peptides. Now, you've probably heard about them for building muscle, but their real secret power might just change everything we think we know about weight management and metabolic health. So let's get right into it. Here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll cover the basics, what these things actually are. Then, we'll look at how they act as your body's personal courier service. After that, we'll meet the key players for your metabolism, talk about how you can support them naturally, and then wrap it all up with the big takeaway for you. So this is really the central question, isn't it? We all know about diet and exercise, but could these tiny little protein chains be one of the missing pieces of the puzzle? It's a really fascinating question, and one we're going to explore. Okay, so what are we talking about when we say weight loss peptides? It's time to think beyond the gym and the bodybuilders and really understand their deep role and how our bodies function at a core metabolic level. You know, this is where it gets really interesting. Peptides are kind of like the conductors of your body's entire metabolic orchestra. They're the ones telling your system when to burn energy, when to store fat, and even when to feel hungry or full. They are, quite literally, running the whole show. So, how do they actually pull this off? Well, the best way to think about it is to imagine peptides as your body's own internal messaging system, like tiny little chemical messengers delivering critical instructions all over your body. And what kind of instructions are we talking about? Well, a message could be anything from, hey, let's burn this fat for fuel, to, okay, tell the brain we're full now, shut down the hunger signals. They are these super precise communicators that keep our entire system running smoothly. And the whole process is just beautifully efficient. It's a really simple chain of command. Your body senses a need, like, say you just ate a meal. A specific peptide gets released, it travels to its target cell, sends a signal, and boom, a metabolic action is triggered. It's an incredibly smart and targeted system. And their influence is absolutely massive. We're not just talking about one little job. Peptides are at the center of this huge web that controls major hormones like insulin, that manages your appetite, that directly tells your body to burn fat, and that dictates your overall energy levels. They're right in the middle of it all. Okay, so now that we've got the how, let's meet some of the actual who's. Let's take a look at some of the key peptides that are major players in the world of metabolism. Just look at this list. What's so incredible is how specific they are. Take testosterone, for example. It doesn't just go after fat in general, it specifically targets that dangerous visceral fat around your organs. Or how about AOD 9604? It can kickstart fat metabolism without messing with your blood sugar. These aren't blunt instruments, they're like a set of highly specialized surgical tools. Now, peptide therapy is a really exciting field, but it's not the only way. There is so much we can do to support our body's own natural production of these messengers. So let's talk about building that strong foundation. And it all starts right here with your food. You see, peptides are made from amino acids, and where do we get those? From protein. So a diet that's rich in high-quality protein is literally giving your body the raw materials it needs to build these little messengers in the first place. Movement is also absolutely key. When you exercise, you're not just burning off calories, you're sending a powerful signal to your body to release the good stuff. Things like growth hormone and other repair peptides that help keep your metabolism humming along, even hours after your workout is done. And please do not sleep on, well, sleep. We really can't overstate this. That deep sleep cycle is when your body's production factory is running at full capacity, cranking out and regulating these crucial metabolic peptides. If you're not getting good sleep, the whole system just gets thrown off. It's totally non-negotiable. And finally, we've got to talk about stress. Think of chronic stress like static on a phone line. It just floods your system with cortisol and completely scrambles the clear messages your peptides are trying to send. So managing stress isn't just about feeling better mentally, it's about keeping your body's entire communication network clear and online. All right, let's pull all of this together. What's the big takeaway here? What does all this peptide talk actually mean for you and your health goals? Here's the bottom line. Peptides help create this powerful metabolic advantage. They tell your body to break down stored fat for fuel, they help regulate your hunger hormones so you're not fighting cravings all day, and they make sure you're using energy efficiently. And maybe most importantly, they help you preserve that precious lean muscle mass. This right here, this is the holy grail of weight management. For so long, the biggest problem has been losing fat without also losing muscle. Peptides help solve that. They shift your body's focus. The goal is no longer just seeing a number drop on the scale, it's about a real change in your body composition, getting leaner and stronger at the same time. Which leaves us with this one final, really compelling question. As we learn more and more about these tiny messengers, are we actually looking at the future of truly personalized metabolic health? A future where we can fine-tune our body's own systems to be healthier than ever before? Pretty amazing stuff to think about.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you haven't already done so, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing educational content on how to live a happier and healthier lifestyle.